My name is Moises Vasquez. I was born here in the Bay Area, but I grew up in David City, moved to Excelsior. Basically, I've been in the Bay Area for all my life. I've been in the construction industry for over 25 years. I do concrete, I do carpentry, I do plumbing. I built the Salesforce Tower. I built the Warrior Stadium. I built a lot of buildings around here, so I can say I am part of the city, you know? It's having loyal customers that call me and recommend me. Because I told them I was looking for a place. He goes, just rent here. We may end up making an agreement. Of course, on my agreement, it stated clearly, I am Moises Vasquez. I'm renting the master bedroom for $900 a month or exchange for work to be performed on the house. And we both signed it, and we were fine by that. I was doing the work. So I replaced doors, I replaced the heater. I did a lot of work in that house. When you get a notice in the mail saying that you gotta pay $3,000 something, I'm like, what? What's going on with this? I called that attorney, he said, you just do it. I said, no, man, you can't do this. This is against the law. I have my paperwork. I pay my rent, so you cannot put my rent up like that. They said, we can do what we want to do. That's what the attorney responded to me. I was like stressing, what am I supposed to do? I got my bed, I got my fish tank, then I got my tools downstairs in the garage stacked up nice. I got so much stuff, what am I gonna do? It's just me and my truck. It's not gonna fit there. I go, man, there has to be a way, this is not right. I gotta find somebody to help me. So 3 days before I had to get out, whatever, my friend told me about opening the door legal. And I came down here, I knocked and I said, we need help. She opened the door and she took me in. And when she took me in, took a lot of weight off me. She said, well, we're gonna call you and see if we can get you an attorney. And she got me an attorney right away. Allison, Open Door Legal, help me out. They're on your side, like you're a real friend. They showed me that we have rights. We have courts that make decisions. And they can't just make decisions like that and scare you out. It's not the way it works. It helped me out where I wasn't in the streets. It helped me out where I wasn't living in my truck. You know what I mean? It helped me out where I was able to get a storage, able to try to find another place, able to survive for several months to try to get myself situated. And that's what Open Door Legal did for me. Without them, I would be in the streets. I'd be another statistic. No matter how rich, poor, or no paperwork, or whatever you are, you have rights. Open Door Legal helped me survive another day.